Hello. My name is Pat, and I'm here to tell you about tips to help stop snoring and start having an awesome sleep every night. For many people, when they see someone snoring, they think it is something ridiculous and funny. What people do not often realize is that many bigger problems are caused by snoring. Realizing that snoring is not good for health, many people are willing to find the best ways to make them stop the bad habit. However, it must be realized that there is still no enough data to support the claims of the products. If you have been finding some solutions to help you stop snoring naturally, you can try the following tips. First of all, you can change your sleeping position. Sleeping at an elevated position would provide you some relief. 30 degrees must be the elevation so that the diaphragm would be relaxed and that the tongue would be kept from falling back. Do not sleep flat on your back, because the throat may be constricted in a way that the air passage is blocked. Eventually, though, snoring will worsen as you age. If this happens, you should find permanent solutions. It does not only let you benefit from the various cost of losing off some pounds, but you would also break out the risk of snoring. There are various methods of losing weight. Be patient in waiting for the effects of weight loss to come out. You can also change your lifestyle to help stop snoring. You should also sleep well regularly. Once your body gets used to the same habit each night, frequent noises coming out of your own mouth would no longer disturb you. Finally, if you want permanent natural solution to help stop snoring, visit www.helpstopsnoring.info.